Stop by and take a look at the 2024 Titan. The Titan houses the Endurance V8 engine, the largest standard truck engine in its class. But the benefits don't stop there. The massive interior cabin boasts a fold-up rear bench seat and a flat loading floor. When it comes to power and comfort, the Titan can't be beat. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, heated mirrors, trailer brake controller, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, splash guards. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.